The game will not start. Marathon, close quote. This means the game cannot detect a supported graphics card. Follow this exact order to fix it. Number 1, check if your GPU meets requirements. First, make sure your GPU supports DirectX 12, Shader Model 6, updated drivers. If you're using only Intel integrated graphics, older HD series, the game may not support it. Number 2, update GPU drivers. Most important, for NVIDIA, download latest driver from official site, install, choose custom, clean installation. For AMD, download latest Adrenalin driver, install, restart PC. For Intel Arc UHD, download latest driver from Intel website, not Windows Update. Do not rely on Windows automatic driver. Number 3, force dedicated GPU laptop fix. If you have a laptop with Intel plus NVIDIA AM Method 1, Windows settings. 1, settings, system, display. 2, graphics 3, add Marathon XE file. 4, click options, select high performance. Method 2, NVIDIA control panel. 1, manage 3D settings. 2, program settings. 3, add Marathon. 4, select high performance NVIDIA processor. Restart game. Number 4, enable GPU in device manager. 1, press Windows X device manager. 2, expand display adapters. 3, make sure your GPU is enabled, not showing warning sign. If disabled, enable it. Number 5, install DirectX and Visual C++ install. DirectX end user runtime, Microsoft Visual C++ 2015-2022, x64, Plex 86, restart PC. Number 6, update Windows settings, Windows Update, install all updates. Old Windows builds can cause GPU detection errors. And number 7, BIOS check. Enter BIOS. Make sure primary display equals PCIe. Disable integrated graphics. If desktop, save and exit. Number 8, reinstall game. If still failing, uninstall Marathon, restart PC, reinstall on SSD recommended. Common causes in 2026: outdated GPU driver, laptop using integrated graphics, unsupported old GPU, corrupted DirectX, Windows Update conflict. If it still doesn't start, tell me. GPU model, laptop or desktop, Windows 10 or 11, Steam or other launcher, does Device Manager show your GPU? I'll give you a targeted fix for your system.